This is the retro kit for the Audi 2013 through 2019 Q3. This allows you to have Apple CarPlay in a car that clearly was not supposed to have it. Since there is no touchscreen, you do have to use your scroll wheel to get through the different menus. Here you see you have your Apple Maps. Actually, that might have been Waze. Your music's on here. Everything's pretty quick. There is not really any lag to the system itself. You can see this is the full CarPlay experience. If you want to go back to the regular screen, you just hit the media button, and then to get back into the Apple CarPlay, you press and hold the media button. One workaround for if you want to use the reverse camera and you're not actually in reverse is that you do have to get out of the Apple CarPlay and you have to go back to the regular Audi system.